Hi guys! So in this video, I'm gonna do an overall review of how I felt about this KAKIGO nail sander, grinder, or whatever you call this in the States. Here's my review of it. So I finally got my KAKIGO nail drill. I'm in my PJs. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, these are all the tips to put in the adapter. Directions. So it's got a really nice solid body, and I love the color of it. It's a bullet color. What do you call this color? What do you call this color? Oh, Spotty, I'm sorry. They've also got a very nice controller. Once you get it connected to the power, you see this red light come on. You can change the direction that it revolves in. So if you center it, it stops. 올려, then you've got the other direction. Clockwise, and bottom would be counterclockwise. These are the three powers. You can lower it, and you can increase the power. Can you hear the power? Look at him! 안녕. These are the different heads, the tips that they give you. And to explain briefly what each of them do, I got instructions because I don't know what it does.
What the heck?
This little one is called a needle bit, and you can sculpt the corners of your nails. And then we've got the second one that looks like this. It's a bit rounded, kind of sculpt your nails, and also you can get rid of your gel nail with this. The third one is called 콘 비트. With that, you're supposed to remove your cuticles. Barrel 비트. You get like a flat top. So what this does is 표면 처리. You grind the surface with this. 대형 barrel beat. And this does the same thing. You can even shorten your nails with this, it says. 멘트렐 비트, this is the largest one in size. 멘트렐 비트, which is also a sand bed. So this is a sander that they give you. I have like 6 of these in there. You put this into this barrel, and then you've got your sandingi. This is the most powerful of them all. And I've got this gel nail, which I need to get rid of anyways. So let me demonstrate for you how crazy strong it is.
All my gel nails are gone, so only this survived. But sadly, it's time to get rid of it too. Right now, it's at its lowest power. You ready? You ready? Already, see my 손톱 layer, my nail layer. You can see it, right? That's how powerful it is. Let me try the 표면 처리, also at its lowest speed. This also, I think, helps with clearing away the gel nail, but it's less abrasive. And it doesn't hurt even if it hits your finger or your 살. It really doesn't hurt at all. I have the gel nail remover applied to my fingers now. I'm just gonna press that on. So this is just me trying to get rid of the gel, but it's so hard. It honestly doesn't get removed that well with a gel remover. How about I just remove you with this? It means utmost precision, which I don't have. It'd be funny if I finished this and then my nails were just gone. 지금 내가 제대로 하고 있는 건지도 모르겠다. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I hope I am. Okay. This is my cuticle remover. 오, 이거 향 너무 좋은데? It smells so nice. I don't even know if this is what you're supposed to do, but I can definitely see my cuticles falling out. So, I guess this is a very convenient way to work with your cuticles. Underneath the skin, underneath this cuticle skin, 되게 시원해. 뭔가 이빨 스케일링 받는 느낌? 이빨 스케일링은 아픈데 얘는 아프지도 않아. 너무 좋아. I would say that this is a pretty successful gel nail removal for me. 난 워낙 똥손이어서.
So I would definitely recommend this KAKIGO nail sander or nail grinder for those people who are not really good with doing their own nails or getting rid of their own gel nails like me. I really don't even know the basics of nails. Nevertheless, I got these and I'm really satisfied because I feel like I can do my own nails now. How much was this? That's a good question. The price was 44,900원. So it's like about 45,000원. So I'm happy that it didn't go over 5만 원. I'm happy with my purchase. I hope this review was helpful.